This Diamond Realty and Associates property video is presented by Mindy Wardlaw. Wow is all you will say, and honey, this is it. Walk into this custom-built home with custom features throughout. Walk into this immaculate home with wood floors, open floor plan, and you know your home. The fireplace with glass decor start will heat the home in the months ahead and set the mood for any occasion without the smell and mess. This floor plan offers so much space for options and setup and entertaining. The kitchen has gas range, large seated island for all your friends with electricity. Beautiful walk-in pantry with an edge door. 4 wonderful bedrooms with a remote owner's suite. The owner's bath is gorgeous with tiled shower, oversized jetted tub and walk-through closet to the laundry room. Special ceiling treatments and extra molding, boost a few of the many upgrades. This home is for the tech-savvy Ethernet or coax ran home. For the family with choice 3-car garage.